Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Foxxd MIRO. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have the Foxxd MIRO. It's a phone for Metro by T-Mobile, which is an American company. And it's actually fairly cheap. It's only like $100. There's all the phone features and what comes inside. I'll give you a second to view the specs. Okay, so let's get this thing open now. Alright, and there's the phone. And the size of it is actually quite comparable to a Samsung S6 Edge, or even I think the S9 Plus. Alright, so underneath the phone is all the accessories, but we're just going to focus on the phone right now. Okay, so it looks like there's some caution on here, and there's all of the features. I actually like that it comes with a microphone. The screen is actually depth reflective, actually. It's actually quite thick too. Like it's thicker than most phones in the market nowadays. Alright, and it looks like it comes with a USB Type-B connector, which is fairly common still. There's the headphone jack. And there's the rear camera. There's actually not that much of a camera bump. There's one speaker on the back. And now let's get to the unpeeling. And the glass is actually fairly smooth. Actually, I don't think it's glass, I think it's plastic. And there's the charger, another one to add to the collection. And there's the charger. It's actually quite long, so if we get it out here and pull it apart, I'll show you how long it is. So it has a Type A on one side and a Type B on the other. If my camera would focus. Alright, and here is the quick start guide. It comes in both English and French, not English and French, English and Spanish, as it is coming from the States. Alright, that's going to do it for us today. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. I'm sure with the YouTube updates, the dislike button is down there too. I won't get offended if you press that. Also, if you'd like to check out anything we feature on our videos, please check out the Amazon affiliate links down the bottom. And thanks for watching. Have a good one, everybody.